All right, here is the Wish I Had a Motorcycle Twinkle Sandwich. So everything is the same as the other Twinkle Sandwiches that we've played, but now our bow is playing Wish I Had a Motorcycle. So we start with the bread song. A, E, F sharp, E. Third finger on the A string, bow up to the A string. Second finger. First finger. A. Peanut butter song, E. Third finger on A. Second finger. First finger. Jelly. Third finger on A. Second finger. First finger. Now the bread song. A. E. F sharp. E. Third finger on the A string. Second finger. First finger.